Imagine a concept so profound, it challenges our deepest understanding of existence itself. This is quantum immortality, a mind-bending perspective on consciousness's ultimate fate. It presents a radical hypothesis that subjective experience might endure beyond the universe's ultimate demise. This idea explores the potential for individual awareness to persist even after the heat death of all physical reality. We will delve into theoretical frameworks suggesting how consciousness might transcend cosmic oblivion. It asks whether our personal journey truly ends when the universe itself fades. Our universe, vast and dynamic, is predicted to meet a specific end: heat death. This final state is a cosmic horizon toward which all physical processes are inexorably moving. It describes a future where the universe reaches a state of absolute uniform temperature. In this ultimate thermal equilibrium, maximum entropy is achieved, rendering any form of activity impossible. There will be no energy gradients to drive chemical reactions, no light from stars, and no force to sustain life. In such a universe, movement, thought, and existence as we know it would cease. This leads to a chilling question. What happens to consciousness when the universe itself dies? The universe is envisioned as a fading ember, slowly but surely marching toward ultimate entropy. Every star will burn out, every black hole evaporate, leaving only a cold, dark, and utterly featureless void. However, quantum mechanics introduces a potential loophole to the seemingly inevitable finality of heat death. Specifically, the many worlds interpretation, or MWI, posits a revolutionary concept. The universe is constantly branching. Under MWI, every quantum measurement causes the universe to split into multiple parallel realities. Each of these newly formed branches represents a distinct possible outcome of that quantum event. For instance, if an electron can spin up or down, both outcomes occur in separate universes. Quantum immortality builds upon this by proposing that an individual always experiences the reality where they survive. This isn't about magical invincibility, but about the nature of observation itself. If a fatal event occurs, the observer only perceives the branch where they continue to live. In every other branch, the observer might have perished, but their subjective experience simply isn't present in those realities. This effectively makes the individual immortal within their own stream of subjective experience. Their personal narrative never truly ends. This perspective implies that reality itself is deeply considered observer-dependent in quantum mechanics. Our individual conscious experience in this view is the thread weaving through an endless tapestry of diverging realities, always finding a path forward. The entire idea of quantum immortality hinges on the very nature of consciousness itself. Consciousness is arguably the biggest mystery science still grapples with, eluding a definitive physical explanation. It remains an enigma that challenges our understanding of the universe. Some intriguing theories, such as Penrose and Hameroff's orchestrated objective reduction, or ORCHOA, suggest consciousness is rooted in quantum processes. They propose that these processes occur specifically within the microtubules found in our brain cells. If consciousness is, at its core, an inherently quantum phenomenon, then its rules might differ from classical physics. It could potentially tunnel or branch in ways we don't yet fully comprehend. This would mean it isn't strictly bound by the classical laws of decay and destruction. This quantum nature might allow consciousness to move into surviving realities, even after the heat death of its original universe. It poses the question of whether consciousness could decouple from its physical substrate and persist through quantum pathways. Exploring such radical ideas naturally leads to highly speculative scenarios for existence after heat death. One famous thought experiment is the Boltzmann brain. This hypothesis suggests that in a dead universe, random fluctuations could, over vast eons, create isolated pockets of consciousness. These disembodied brains might spontaneously form from the vacuum, experiencing a brief flicker of awareness before dissipating. It's a chilling, solitary existence, devoid of context or meaningful interaction. It speaks to the ultimate randomness of an entropic universe. Another scenario, less random and more driven by intelligence, involves advanced civilizations. They might upload their consciousness into digital forms, effectively transcending their biological limitations. This digital escape would bypass physical decay and the biological constraints of a dying universe. Such an uploaded consciousness could potentially exist in information-based forms, riding the last energetic whispers of the universe. It could migrate to ever smaller, more efficient computational substrates, enduring for an incredible duration. Perhaps the most radical implication of all is that subjective experience itself might be the fundamental reality. In this profound view, consciousness is not merely an emergent property of matter, but a core aspect of existence that adapts and continues, regardless of physical form or environment. Quantum immortality remains a highly speculative thought experiment, pushing the boundaries of scientific inquiry and philosophical contemplation. It raises profound questions about survival without a physical body or indeed a physical environment. It forces us to reconsider what it means to exist, to be aware, and to have a self. If consciousness can truly escape the ultimate entropy, then our understanding of life, death, and the universe's final chapter changes dramatically. This journey into quantum immortality is a testament to humanity's endless curiosity, forever seeking to understand our place in the cosmos, even at its very end. As we conclude this exploration of quantum immortality, remember that the journey of understanding is as boundless as the cosmos itself. Thank you for joining me on this voyage of discovery. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on more thought-provoking content, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Your support helps us bring you more fascinating explorations. Thank you.